Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the Senator of Kentucky, Mitch McConnell, and how he's urging the FDA right now to ease up on CBD regulations. A chief proponent of hemp legalization, Senator of Kentucky Mitch McConnell, has put pressure on the Food and Drug Administration to expedite the way for lawful marketing of CBD-based products. This happens to be the latest push by Kentucky Senator to get cannabidiol products more capital to educate consumers, as well as utilize the many benefits that could come with having CBD in food or dietary supplements. Before the movement led by McConnell, the FDA had stated that allowing CBD to be sold as a dietary supplement or food item would require them to create alternative regulations. Now, these regulations could take months to even years to complete if there's no congressional action used. The Senator's plan is to input language into a spending report that's going to ask the FDA to issue a policy of enforcement discretion in regards to certain products containing CBD. Now, he wants this done within the next 4 months. Now, this is something that could help stakeholders clear up some rules, which hopefully in effect could cause the banks to become more willing to service CBD companies. Now on the screen, I'm going to put the full report language from Mitch McConnell to the FDA so you can read it. If you need to pause it, I'm going to put it up for like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, whatever you might need. Pause it, read it if you like, and then we're going to move on to the next thing. So what is the CBD industry's response to this? For the most part, it seems like the CBD wellness industry is pretty open-minded to Mitch McConnell's proposal to the FDA. Now, both the CEO of Axon Biotechnologies Incorporated and the founder of JPK Wellness had something to say about this. John Hugh Moeller, sorry if I'm butchering your name, who's the CEO of Axon Biotechnologies, had this to say. Last year, hemp and CBD were legalized through the 2018 Farm Bill. A few months ago, the DEA requested an increase in the amount of cannabis grown in the US for research. Now it's time for the FDA to recognize that cannabis and CBD products aren't just a fad, which is awesome, okay? But because of their many wellness benefits, they are here to stay. We look forward to understanding how these new regulations may help the industry grow by setting needed safety standards, and I'm totally butchering this, standards, and provide consumers with an overall improved level of trust in CBD and other cannabis products. And Janelle Kim had this to say. Mitch McConnell's move to call on the FDA is certainly a progressive and more important move, which will help to open the doors for more people to reap the incredible benefits of CBD. It is vital to remember that hemp is one of the 50 fundamental herbs in Chinese medicine, and its healing properties date back to 4,000 years. I did not know that. For a medicinal herb that has been used responsibly for thousands of years as a treatment for pain and fatigue, among other conditions, to be given a larger opportunity is certainly a winning situation for all involved. Sounds good all around. Now, in order to hit McConnell's target of around 120 days or 4 months, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. Soon, the Senate Appropriations Subcommittee of Agriculture will mark up the provision of the spending report. After that, 2 days later, the Appropriations Committee will receive it. Lastly, the FDA will have to submit a report to the committee within 90 days. Now, this could open up the possibility for a new policy. If new enforcement guidelines are established, they would continue to be implemented by the FDA until the regulatory process is finalized. Oregon Senator Jeff Merkley praised the bill in the subcommittee meeting in support of Mitch McConnell's proposal. Merkley also specifically mentioned the revenue the hemp industry would bring to his state alone. What he said was, "You might note that this year in Oregon, the hemp industry may well be a $1 billion crop, and that is an incredible addition to income for our agricultural community. It's only a matter of time before we see where Mitch McConnell's proposal and timeline goes." However, this marks a big day for the CBD industry as a whole. With marketing CBD being as difficult as it is right now, this is an extremely exciting time for those just getting into the CBD industry and the veterans. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe because we post every single week, and go ahead and hit that bell button so you know every single time we post. And if you really liked it, hit that like button because it helps us out a ton. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.